Hi there, welcome to the sale of this Toyota Hilux. It's in Nebula Blue. This is a 2.8 turbo diesel, so it's the 204 brake horsepower engine. It's the newer engine and it's capable of towing 3,500 kilograms. Invincible, so it's a nice specification truck. Let me take you around and show you it. So these trucks, Euro 6 ULEZ compliant vehicles, city centre clean air zone compliant. The Invincible's sat on the nice alloy wheels, got the side steps. Good chassis on this truck. It's got the colour coded hardtop canopy. It's got roof bars on that canopy, rear spoiler on that canopy with a brake light up there. All privacy glass, side sliding glass units as well. Lockable. They're lined as well, and just a great addition to the truck, an expensive option on the truck as well. And whether you're carrying dogs, tools, or just general items, it makes a huge boot space. This truck, rear bumper on the back there, it's got a fitted tow bar, it's got reverse sensors, has a reverse camera on this truck as well. Inside all lined inside, so to keep down, so you won't get the condensation. The bulkhead window is a sliding glass unit, so you can get some downdraft there as well. They have a little LED light up here, fitted. Couple of clamps, 3 clamps either side, high level brake light. We haven't wired that up on there, but it's there. Fit Toyota body liner, a couple of hooks in either corner to tie some items down. So the Hilux looks good in Nebula Blue metallic. It's a great colour on the Hilux. So inside 4-door electric windows, electric mirrors, power heat on a winter's day down there on the right hand side, parking sensors you can deactivate, and the bonnet release, fuel cap opening is down there as well. Airbag, I said, on here on this driver's seat, height just on that seat. There's a heated seat as well. Cruise control on this truck. Bluetooth telephone, radio controls all on the steering wheel. Crash prevention, I think there's lane departure warning, you can deactivate all that there on the steering wheel as well. Apple CarPlay on that monitor, digital radio, and there's a reverse camera all there on that unit. Digital climate control, heated mirrors there, and heated seats down there. Not lane departure, hill descent, diff lock, traction control, and then the 4-wheel drive is here, running in 2-wheel drive all the time. Slip 4 high as and when you need it, depending on the conditions you'll find yourself in, and the 4 low ratio, like a crawler gear, all on that switch. Selectable engine maps on this truck as well, so the standard engine map I think is perfectly adequate, but the Eco just mellows the engine off slightly, possibly gives you better MPG. There's a power mode there as well if you want to make it feel a little bit more lively. You can also drive these like a manual as well, so it's an automatic gearbox. As you can see, you put it into drive and off we go perfectly. It's a nice gearbox, but if you were towing, you could put it to stick to one side and go up and down through the gate, through the plus and the minus, give yourself some engine braking if you're towing quite heavily, or if you're going up and down some steep hills. The options there, just sometimes it can feel a little bit disconcerting. The top box there, they call it an air core box. Air conditioning pumps into that, and it's got styling of a Toyota Hilux of old. And then the bottom box down there, traditional glove box down there. A couple of plugins as well, auxiliary plug-in, 12-volt plugins. So yeah, well spec'd vehicle. We'll put there. So everything lights up. There's the lights go out, and it comes alive on the head unit as well. Something with the emblem of the Hilux. So it's actually 38,200 miles this one's done. And then we can go home. So you can see Apple CarPlay option there, and I think there's an Android Auto option as well. AM, FM and digital radio there as well. Bluetooth. And then out the back, perfectly good camera. You can see the tow ball perfectly, so you can reverse up to your trailer first time, every time, without any mistakes. Nice visibility out of the back. A few drink holders in the door card there, in here, and the same on the other side. Isofix seating in the rear. It's a 60-40 split rear seat as well, and that will stay up out of the way if you're carrying some goods and you don't want them on the seats. So a great no-nonsense pickup truck, a powerful 204 brake horsepower turbo diesel, available here at Cross Country 4x4. We're in Market Lavington Village near Devizes in Wiltshire. You're more than welcome to come out and view this truck. If you like it, we will go out and drive it. If you have a part exchange, bring it, and I can give you a quote. I'll give you a price on the part exchange. If you require finance, we can give you a quote for finance if that helps. We can quote to have the vehicle delivered to your premises as well, if that helps. So we recommend everyone, if you possibly can, to come out and see the vehicles in person, touch them, feel them, smell them, drive them. It's the best way. Spend a lot of money and the vehicle needs to be right. So please do give us a call on 01380 818 311 or email us sales@crosscountry4x4.co.uk. Thank you very much for looking.